When it comes to home improvements, few upgrades offer the immediate impact that window replacement does. Whether your current windows are outdated, damaged, or simply inefficient, replacing them with high-quality, energy-efficient models can make a world of difference. In Clearwater, homeowners have come to trust professional window replacement services for a variety of reasons, from boosting curb appeal to improving comfort and energy savings. If you're considering a window replacement project, here's why professional services are the best choice. Expertise and experience. Replacing windows may seem like a simple task, but it's a job that requires significant expertise to get it right. Professional window replacement services bring years of experience to the table, ensuring that your new windows are installed correctly, efficiently, and safely. Expert installers are trained to handle all types of windows, from traditional single-hung to modern casement or sliding windows, and they know exactly how to ensure a perfect fit. With a professional team on the job, Clearwater homeowners can be confident that their new windows will be installed without the risks associated with DIY projects. Incorrect installation can lead to gaps, drafts, and even water damage, but professionals use precise methods and tools to avoid these issues. Energy efficiency and cost saving. One of the top reasons Clearwater homeowners opt for window replacement is to improve energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those with single panes, can let drafts into your home, causing your HVAC system to work overtime and driving up your energy bills. Energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed to reduce heat loss during the winter and minimize heat gain in the summer. Professional window replacement services offer high-performance options like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills that provide superior insulation. These features work together to keep your home more comfortable year-round while lowering your energy costs. When installed correctly by experts, these windows can significantly reduce your energy consumption, leading to long-term savings. Enhanced curb appeal. Windows play a significant role in the overall aesthetic of a home. Whether your home has traditional charm or a more contemporary style, the right windows can enhance its visual appeal. If your windows are cracked, faded, or just plain outdated, they can drag down the appearance of your home. By replacing them with new, stylish windows, you instantly boost your home's curb appeal. Professional window replacement services in Clearwater offer a wide range of window styles, materials, and finishes to match your preferences and home's architectural design. Whether you choose sleek vinyl windows, classic wood frames, or modern fiberglass, professionals can guide you in selecting the perfect windows that not only look great but also complement your home's overall aesthetic. Increased property value. Investing in window replacement is an upgrade that can increase the resale value of your home. Prospective buyers often look for homes that are energy efficient, well-maintained, and visually appealing, and new windows tick all these boxes. Professional window replacement services can help you select windows that not only meet your needs but also enhance your home's value. Homes with updated windows are typically more attractive to buyers, as they provide a sense of modernity, comfort, and reduced maintenance costs. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, replacing your windows can result in a higher selling price and a quicker sale. Improved comfort and noise reduction. Beyond energy savings, new windows offer a significant improvement in comfort. Older windows may allow drafts to enter your home, making certain rooms uncomfortably cold in the winter or excessively warm in the summer. With professional window replacement, you can create a more consistent indoor temperature throughout your home. In addition, many newer window models are designed with noise reduction features. If you live in a noisy area of Clearwater, soundproof windows can help create a quieter, more peaceful living environment. This is especially beneficial if you have young children, work from home, or simply value peace and quiet. Professional installation and warranty protection. When Clearwater homeowners choose professional window replacement services, they benefit from the assurance of a job well done. Installation professionals are not only skilled in getting the windows in place but also in ensuring that they are properly sealed and aligned. Proper installation minimizes the chance of leaks, drafts, or window malfunctions down the road. Furthermore, many window manufacturers offer warranties on their products, which can be valuable peace of mind. If you have a problem with your windows after installation, the manufacturer's warranty and the installer's service guarantee will provide you with added protection. This is an important benefit that DIY installations simply can't offer. Time and convenience. Replacing windows is a time-consuming task that requires proper planning and precision. Professional window replacement services in Clearwater save you the hassle of trying to tackle the project on your own. Experts manage everything from measuring and ordering the right windows to scheduling installation and cleaning up afterward. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of new windows without any of the stress. Professional window installers can typically complete the job much faster than DIYers, and they'll take care of all the details, including disposal of old windows, ensuring a smooth and convenient experience for homeowners. Conclusion. For Clearwater homeowners, professional window replacement services offer a wide range of benefits, from energy efficiency and enhanced curb appeal to increased property value and improved comfort. Whether you're looking to save on energy bills, reduce outside noise, or simply update the look of your home, a professional window replacement service is the best investment. With expert installation, superior materials, and lasting results, you can trust that your new windows will provide comfort, security, and beauty for years to come.